Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to repost any video or any posts on your accounts on Rednote. So the answer is easy, just go to the application right here, and as you see you can choose any one. And for example you can this here, right here, this icon right here, you can just click on it and the video will be reposted. And if you wanna remove from repost, just click on it again, and as you see it will be removed from your reposts. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.